Dr. Akhtar Hussain, the Dean, Vice Principals, Dr. Lakshmikant Chatra, Dr. Maji Jose, all the heads of the departments, and senior colleagues, and other faculty members, and today's guest of honor, Dr. Abhay Nrigode, and the team members of CHP and NFI Dental College Education Units. Very good morning to you all, and namaste from Shambat and the team of NFI. Welcome to the batch of 2020 to the NFI campus and specifically to the NFI Dental College. Dr. Akhtar Hussain, the Dean, already made you very comfortable in the campus, and he assured that he will take care of you people for next 3 years. I specifically mentioned for 3 years. That means you have to complete your course in 3 years. And Dr. Lakshmikant had shown all the facilities available in the campus, including the department and the faculty, how they support you. Being a senior most, one among the senior most faculty, myself and Dr. Akhtar Hussain. Dr. Akhtar Hussain is the main brain behind this campus, or you can say NFI Dental College. I'm the next person to join in this, and you can have to remember here Dr. Shripati Rao, who is another earlier principal of NFI Dental College, who made this campus so beautiful that the help of management. To brief about the dental college, in NIRF ranking, that is NIRF ranking, we have 84 NFI universities, and dental course 20, and in the NAC we have A grade. That itself shows that when you select this NFI Dental College, you are on the right path. That is for your higher education. Now, Dr. Chatra has mentioned that regarding the faculties and the facilities. Yes, it's true. What you selected is a truly correct, and it will definitely will give you a course complete education knowledge to come out as a good postgraduate. To tell about the detail of the courses, I'll go with the as a Diksha Arambha or initiation to course. My duty to tell about little bit about the academic part, maybe which I mentioned in bit of the statistics or maybe the rules and regulations. It looks very to accept is required little, what you can say is your mental or focus for the course. The period of your training, the time required for passing out of the MBS course shall be maximum of 6 years from the date of admission. Maximum 6 years. That means you have to complete from the date of admission. You have period of 6 years. Now, what all you have to do in activities during your course? You have to attend lectures, journal reviews, seminars. You can attend symposiums. You have to do clinical skill, that is in the clinical postings, clinical pathological conferences, interdepartmental meetings, teaching skills, pedagogy, rotation and posting in the other departments, dissertations, dental education programs, conference, or attending workshop or advanced courses. Now, in these 3 years, you have to complete 5 journal club in a year, 5 seminars in a year, clinical case presentation 4 in a year, lecture for undergrads in 1 in year, scientific paper, 4 papers or posters in 3 years of training, clinical pathological conference you have to attend, 2 presentations during your 3 years of training, scientific review, 1 publication in any index scientific journal, Submission of synopsis, one synopsis within 6 months from the date of commencement of the course. Submission of the dissertation month, that is one dissertation within 6 before appearing for the university examinations. Submission of library dissertation, the one dissertation within 18 months from the date of. Now coming to the attendance, every candidate should have 80% of attendance, that is an yearly, and work diary with the logbooks for recording his or her participation in the training programs conducted by the department. They have to get certified by the HOD and head of institutions. I'm coming to the university examination. I'm not going to the detail of the examination because this has individual department has little question paper settings are different. That's in nutshell I'll mention about the first year you have 100 marks examinations. That is after 1 year, and the second year you after third year you have second examinations. In that you have 3 papers plus you have clinicals. In first year you don't have clinicals. Only in the final you have clinicals. That is divided 300 marks, 100 each, plus practical 200, and pedagogy and YY 80 and 20. What all you have to do and you have to keep your records. This is the journal review checklist. These are the methods you have to keep it in each your files, so that at the end of every 6 months you have to submit to the department head as well as the dean, so that you can review this your clinical and academic schedules, what you have done. Coming to next is seminar presentations. Checklist for the clinical work. Checklist for the case presentations. Checklist for dissertation presentations. And continuous evaluation of dissertation work by guide or a co-guide. Then overall assessment sheets. And all this is available in the regulation of the Dental Council of India. And for your batch, it is 2019 guidelines, which has come in September. You have to follow that. And some of the additional things for you people depends on the individual department or a specialty. We can check the details. The oral surgery has a rotation posting in the other departments. I'm not going to the details of that. Department will take care of this. Now coming to the oral pathology, also they have the different other department postings. And Pedo and Pedio, they have BLS, and public health, they have the dental settle centers. This is the new guidelines for 2019 guidelines. Coming to the library, we have to enroll in the library. Of course, you have the biometric entry there. You have to submit your photo along with the HOD signature and dean signature. That available form is available in the website. See the timings for the library. Again, library people will take care of this in detail. Only from the dental side or hospital side of NFIA Dental College. Please note this: when the hospital duties, night duties or a library visit, it will be recorded both sides in your hostel as well as to the update to the department. This is the notification already department has received. Whoever later joined, please check this notification. I'll directly go to the which topic you address. The last date for a dissertation synopsis submission for the scientific review is 17/10/2020. And please note, all this dissertation this year, it will be in the My Academy, the software for a postgraduate dissertation work. That means you have to upload in the software method, which is this year the university going to introduce. The topic for the people who are staying out, please check this checklist. people who are staying out have to support that document which you are giving if you are planning to go out. One is the request letter from the candidate, parents' request letter, or spouses, or the reason why you are moving out, the proof of residence, either ownership or agreement where you are going to stay. Last is the recommended by who to stay out. All this can be happen only the dean if agrees, then only you can move out of the campus. Then university will support you or will give the recommendation for you to stay out. To remember, already Dr. Akhtar Hussain mentioned about regarding how to go ahead for a or a leave in campus. Please remember this piece. Prarthana is seeking, Prerana is inspirations, and be patient, perseverances, be peaceful, and of course complete your postgraduate, or if you want to continue again, you can do postgraduate doctoral. We are only the facilitator to complete your postgraduate in the campus. The gap what we can see in that, you are only to support that to reach your success. Wish you all the best. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you.